coughing for science. Eddie walks into Junior's room. Toys, clothes, and game controllers are scattered on the floor.
Junior, it's time to clean your room.
I can't, Dad.
Why not?
I'm developing a fake cough for science class practice.
A fake cough?
Yes, my teacher said coughing is a common sound when you're sick. This is practice.
So you can't clean because you're coughing for science.
Exactly, I need to focus.
Eddie looks around the messy room, then gets an idea.
All right, if you're too busy coughing, I'll have to take care of this mess myself.
Eddie picks up Junior's video game controllers.
What are you doing, Dad?
These controllers need to go in a quarantine zone.
What?
They might get infected by your science project coughs.
Dad, come on, that's ridiculous.
If coughing is dangerous, I can't take any chances.
Eddie puts the controllers in a box and closes it.
Fine, I'll clean my room.
Maybe I should keep them in quarantine a little longer, just to be safe. Okay, but your room better shine like new by the time I'm back.
Deal. But this is the last time I cough for science.